Mimeo is a B2B technology-enabled business services company. We are a very global company, and so it's really critical to be able to interact with teams around the world.
Our business has really grown, and Highfive with Dolby Voice is a really important piece of making that work.
We've gone through the gamut of video conferencing solutions. It was always a hodgepodge of technologies.
Invariably, the system you were using always failed. You would drop off, you couldn't hear everybody that was in the room.
You have cultural differences. There can be accents and nuances and things that are hard to pick up.
The Highfive conference room solution really solved all those challenges.
Sounds good.
I'll be in the conference room in just a few minutes.
Here I am.
How are you?
Good.
The Highfive solution was based on rooms, which was unique. Most of the other solutions are user-based, and the costs just go astronomical. Initially, we thought video was the most important aspect, but then if the audio fell apart in a meeting, the meeting essentially couldn't happen.
So it was adding the Dolby conference phone. That's when there was a dramatic difference. When you have a real audio solution to go along with the video, one where you can really talk as if you're in the same room, it just brings the impact of the meetings and what you're doing to just a different level.
The quality of the interaction is fantastic. You're able to hear all the nuances. You can actually visualize where people are in the room, and to be able to get rid of that background noise has been hugely helpful.
The most impactful was with those remote workers and their ability to contribute.
Anything that you changed for?
Previously, you had to make an effort to get them included in the meetings. Their ability to contribute because of the clarity of the voice is dramatically improved. They feel like more of the team.
So I would try to condense this into a shorter document.
Okay.
I would consider myself a technological neophyte, and this has been the easiest to use solution that actually works that I've ever used.
The setup was super easy. Plug it into the TV, follow the on-screen prompts, plug in the Dolby conference room solution. Within 5 minutes, both devices are updated and ready to use. The time savings for me and my team is hundreds of man-hours.
It's added to your calendar, you click on it and you're in. You add into that the quick ability to do share screen, and you combine that with a lot of the tools that we use, and it's those things that really make us more efficient using the system.
Being flexible is probably the most important thing. I don't know if somebody's going to join from their house, from their mobile phone. The solution just needs to work and deal with all those variables.
It's fantastic. This is something that's actually transformed the way I operate. It just allows us to make important decisions in a really timely manner.
It's ultimately about the people and the way that you work together and handle it, but if you have technologies like Highfive with Dolby Voice that enable you to foster that type of environment, to be more collaborative, it's been very impactful for us in the way that we run our business.